Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking down the essentials so you can move fast. Pick a clear niche and 3 content pillars because focus drives traffic. Once decided, register a short domain that matches your brand. Make sure it's easy to spell and type. Then choose hosting, shared if you want low cost, managed WordPress if you want fewer headaches. After purchase, point the domain to your host and log into the hosting dashboard. We'll install the blogging platform next. Now you configure the site so it performs and converts. Install WordPress with the host's one-click installer, then complete the basic settings: site title, permalink structure, and time zone. Choose a responsive theme that supports mobile and 16:9 image banners. Customize logo, typography, and color contrasts for readability. Install essential plugins: SEO for discoverability, caching for speed, security and backup for safety, and a contact form. Once done, create core pages like About, Contact, and Privacy, and draft your first. Finish by optimizing and launching with confidence. You should compress images to 100-200 KB, write clear headings and meta descriptions, and verify mobile responsiveness. Make sure analytics is tracking and backups are scheduled. Test forms and click every link. Fix any 404s. If traffic or SEO stalls, check plugins and permalink settings first. Sometimes a misconfigured cache or robot rule blocks indexing. If needed, restore the last backup and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the issue, then relaunch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.